Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out the Dawn Night K9C Pro, one of the best car LED headlight bulbs for brighter, energy-efficient night driving. Stay tuned as we cover the features, pros, cons, and my final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. Enhanced brightness. One of the standout features of the Dawn Night K9C Pro is its impressive brightness upgrade. It delivers 20% more power than the K7C 100-watt model, while the K9C Plus surpasses the K7C 150-watt by over 20%. This results in wider, clearer, and brighter illumination, perfect for night driving, foggy mornings, or low light conditions, ensuring you stay safe on any road. Improved luminous efficiency. The K9C Plus takes things a step further with its advanced 4575 chip. This high-performance chip is designed to deliver greater light output while consuming less power. It's a win-win, brighter lights with lower energy usage. So not only do you get more powerful headlights, but you also benefit from improved energy efficiency and longevity. Better temperature management. One of the issues with high-powered LED bulbs is heat buildup, but Dawn Night has addressed this cleverly. Despite the K9C Pro's power upgrade, it maintains the same operating temperature as the K7C 110-watt thanks to its optimized heat dissipation design. Meanwhile, the K9C Plus runs 10 degrees cooler than the K7C 150-watt, helping extend the lifespan of the bulb and preventing overheating during long drives. Versatile fitment. Another standout feature is the versatility of the K9C Pro. It's compatible with both reflector and projector-style headlights, meaning it fits a wide variety of vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or even a pickup, chances are this bulb will work with your setup. No need to worry about compatibility issues. Pros. 20% brighter than previous models for better nighttime visibility. Improved heat control for longer lifespan. Compatible with both projector and reflector headlights. Ideal for all weather conditions. Cons. May require additional adapters for certain car models. Slightly higher price than entry-level LED bulbs. Not all models are plug-and-play. Check your car's compatibility. Final thoughts. The Dawn Night K9C Pro Car LED Headlight Bulb is an excellent choice for drivers who don't want to compromise on brightness, efficiency, or safety. With its powerful illumination, low energy consumption, and versatile compatibility, it's a smart investment for any driver. The added temperature management ensures durability, while the option to choose between K9C Pro and K9C Plus gives you flexibility based on your needs. Yes, you might need an extra adapter for some car models, but the performance more than makes up for it. If you're ready to upgrade your headlights, check the price link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest reviews. Thanks for watching Best Product, and we'll see you in the next one.